Higher cost for higher education in Arizona. That's the word tonight after a deal is reached to help offset a $99 million cut in state funding.
Yeah, Stephanie Hockridge has been crunching the numbers for us tonight. And Stephanie, just how much more are students going to have to pay?
Well, it depends on who you are and where you go to school. So here's how the changes break down. At ASU, in-state students will pay a one-time $320 fee, and they will not see a tuition increase. Out-of-state students will see a $955 tuition increase. At U of A, only new students will see a 4% increase in tuition and fees. In-state students will have to pay $446 more, but current students who did not enroll in the guaranteed tuition plan will pay $291 more. At NAU, incoming students will have to pay 3.7% more in tuition next year. For in-state students, that means $369 more every year. Out-of-state students will have to pay around $840 more. Some graduate students at the three universities will have to pay 2.8% more, and other costs are going up as well. Students will pay $150 more to live in a residence hall, and the required meal plan will cost $102 more.
As you listen to these students say, yeah, we can handle the higher tuition, it kind of turns my stomach a little bit, because I wish we weren't even having to have those conversations.
Meantime, so-called dreamers, or the high school graduates who are not U.S. citizens, could get a tuition cut. The Board of Regents is expected to vote on that next month.